Are you someone who loves dogs and always wants to say hello to them? That's wonderful, but have you ever wondered if you're doing it the best way? Surprisingly, how we approach and interact with dogs can affect how they feel. In this video, we'll learn the do's and don'ts of greeting dogs so we can make them feel happy and safe. Get ready to understand dogs better and improve your friendship with them. Let's stop greeting dogs the old way and find the right way to do it. First, let's consider an interesting question. Is it okay to pat a dog on the head? Although many dogs enjoy having their head and ears scratched, it's not always the case, especially when meeting a dog for the first time. Placing your hand over a dog's head might make them feel threatened and lead to biting. Instead, approach from the side and stroke their neck or under their chin. Once they've become comfortable with you, you can explore other areas they enjoy being pet. However, remember to seek their permission first before attempting to pet a dog. We'll discuss the appropriate and inappropriate ways to greet a dog later. Now, let's address a crucial matter. Is it safe to give dogs human food? Some human foods like chocolate and grapes are toxic to dogs, but there are also people foods that can be beneficial for them. For instance, pumpkin can aid their digestive system, and trainers often use cheese to improve their focus in distracting environments. Nevertheless, it's essential to be cautious and mindful about the type of food you offer to dogs. But then there's this question. If you give your dog people food, could it turn them into a problem? Feeding your dog people food can inadvertently lead to unwanted behavior if they start begging for more every time you eat. It's essential to consult your vet about suitable human foods for dogs and consider whether sharing every meal with your pup is the right choice for their long-term behavior. Now, here's an important question for all dog lovers. Is it advisable to use the dog voice? While the high-pitched, cutesy dog voice might be annoying to some, research indicates that dogs actually like it. Speaking to dogs in the dog voice can make them more attentive and physically closer to the person compared to a regular adult voice. So, using the dog voice can be beneficial for strengthening the bond with our furry friends. Another intriguing question is, should you feed your dog in a food bowl? Although using a food bowl is the standard approach, it might not be the best option for all dogs. Feeding them in a puzzle toy, like the Kong wobbler, can provide mental stimulation and be more enjoyable for dogs with abundant energy. It requires them to work for their food, which can be rewarding and beneficial for their overall well-being. Continuing with the theme of cute questions, is it a good idea to get two dogs at the same time? You might consider getting two puppies together to deal with the puppy phase at once or to give them a friend since dogs are social animals. However, most trainers strongly discourage this. Getting two puppies simultaneously can lead to a common issue called littermate syndrome. The first problem is that they may bond more with each other than with you, causing training difficulties and separation anxiety. The second problem is that as they grow older, they might become more aggressive with each other, with one potentially bullying the other. While it's not forbidden to get two puppies at once, most trainers highly recommend against it. Now, here's a question. Should you brush your dog's teeth? If you're enjoying the video and you are interested in a simple dog training strategy that develops your dog's intelligence and creates a well-behaved pet, click the link in the description for access. Just like we brush our teeth daily, our dogs can benefit from regular teeth brushing too. A study showed that brushing your dog's teeth more often results in healthier teeth. However, it's suggested to brush their teeth every day or every 2 days, which most people don't do. But don't worry, there are other ways to take care of their dental health. Chewing on chew toys can help keep their teeth clean, and even giving them dry kibble instead of soft food can scrape off plaque as they chew. While you don't need to brush their teeth daily, it's a good idea to discuss dental care with your vet and make a plan to keep your dog's teeth healthy. Now here's a tricky question some dog owners will have to answer more than others. Should you stop natural but problematic dog behaviors like chewing and digging? If your dog is destructively chewing your shoes, it's understandable that you'd want to prevent that. However, chewing is a natural behavior for dogs, and it helps keep their teeth clean, so you don't want to entirely stop it. Instead, providing them with appropriate chew toys can give them a safe outlet for this behavior. Similarly, for behaviors like digging, you can create a designated digging spot, like a sandbox, to redirect their instincts. Now, onto a controversial question: should you discipline a dog? It depends on how you define discipline. If it involves using physical or verbal punishment to cause fear or pain, it's a definite no. This approach may stop the unwanted behavior momentarily, but it can harm your relationship with your dog in the long run and only suppresses the behavior without addressing the underlying issue. A better approach is to guide your dog towards making the right choices by rewarding good behavior and removing rewards when they engage in unwanted behaviors. Positive reinforcement helps foster a healthier bond and encourages desired behaviors. One of the most misunderstood questions about dogs is whether you should put your hand out for them to smell first when greeting a new dog. Although many people do this, it's actually not the right approach and could lead to getting bitten. Instead, it's better to let the dog come to you. If they seem scared or uncertain, squatting down to their level and turning your body to the side can make you appear less threatening. If the dog is friendly and wants pets, they will approach you. On the other hand, if they're feeling nervous, it's best to respect their boundaries and let them decide whether they want to greet you. It's safer to avoid putting your hand in their face and allow them to initiate contact. Now here's a highly debated topic: should you comfort a scared dog? According to Cesar Millan, one of the most popular dog trainers in the world, the answer is no. He says that when you comfort a scared dog, you're actually positively reinforcing them to be scared and causing them to continue to be scared in the future. But according to Dr. Patricia McConnell, an animal behaviorist, this is, and I quote, totally and completely and utterly wrong. She says that you can't reinforce fear. She also says that petting them might not help them feel much better, but other trainers do say that it can help them. If you found this video amazing and helpful, please make use of the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you won't miss out on our amazing videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.